In this video, I will show you how to write a superscript in Google Docs. So if you are interested in knowing this, then keep on watching. Now, writing the superscript in Google Docs is similar to that in the Word. As you can see that I have a mathematical equation here where x2 is equal to 2y plus c. Now this x2, I want to make this 2 as a superscript because it is x raised power 2. In order to make this 2 as a superscript, I need to select the digit 2, and then from the format menu I can go to the text, and from here I can select superscript, and the shortcut key is also written in front of that, and that is control plus period or a dot. So you can do that. Now if I select that, you can see that the x2 has been converted into x raised power 2, which means it is a superscript. If you want to watch more Google Docs tutorials, we have a comprehensive list which will be displayed at the end screen cards. In any case, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.